We're on our way to New Orleans, Louisiana. It's February 17 today. We're gonna go there for the Mardi Gras. It's our first time. It would be our first time in New Orleans and to watch the Mardi Gras, experience the Mardi Gras live. So uh,
It's
we'll,
exciting.
you're
We'll
excited.
see. Yeah.
Okay.
It's going to be a long ride, a long drive.
Yep. And the whole trip, going there and coming back, we're gonna drop by a few places along the way, and also in coming back after the Mardi Gras. We'll talk about that a bit more later. But for now, off to New Orleans. We'll probably get there in 2 days' time. We'll get a hotel someplace. Definitely one of them would be in St. Louis,
Missouri.
Missouri.
Please proceed to the highlighted road.
And here we are at the entrance of the so-called confluence point of the Missouri and Mississippi rivers. So that's the marker right there. So we're hiking through the trails, heading to the confluence point. How long did the sign say?
9 minutes walk.
9 minutes walk. Okay. All right. Good exercise.
So we are approaching the river now. As you can see, right in front of us
Well,
or
that's one
of
of the
you.
rivers. I'm
I
not
don't know
sure
if
yet
this
which
is,
one.
which one is this.
So no fishing in this river.
And we are now on the trail. Nonoy is ahead of me. So, but to our right side, that's already one of the rivers. Nonoy is guessing that that's which river, Noy?
I think that's the Missouri.
Missouri River. And oh, by the way, we are in Missouri right now. We just got here from our long drive. Okay. The trail is looking good. Pathway is cemented and it's not too windy, but we have to finish this soon because they're gonna close this area 30 minutes after sundown. But right now it's around 4 p.m. Here we go. They have.
So I was right. This is the Missouri River, and this is the marker for the Missouri River.
So Missouri is this. Nonoy's right. So it says here, the marker says here, Missouri River. And where's the other marker? Okay, Nonoy says the Mississippi marker is right here.
And that is the marker for the Mississippi.
And that's the river. And that's Mississippi River meeting right there where Nonoy is, meeting the Missouri River. So this is the meeting point. This is the confluence point